Ah, shit! Fuck! My windows upstairs.
Where the hell did they go?
Oh, no, Uranus!
Should have just waited a few more minutes. But that seat is totally soaked. So is this. I hate flipping rain. It just pisses me off. Good thing the keys were in the car. Oh well, can't do anything about it now. There was a papers holding thing, whatever, a little sheet I can give to the paper guy and he'll give me like 75 cents for it. Well, that's pretty much almost ruined. I love the rain, but I hate it too. Dad and Amy's on the motorcycle ride and this stuff now. It's just this little cloud passing through. So. I stepped in some water. Wow. Don't have the hood. Oh look, this is all clean. Wet. Or the hood. Hood's sitting right there. Giant puddle. Toro's okay. I hate it like that. Sucks. Carburetor's still off this four-wheeler. Yep. The seat's all wet. It's sparkly clean. Battery's gonna die. I'm gonna go charge this thing and upload this video. Get out of here, bugs. So thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoyed that little rain of ours. Take care. Be safe.